Well, hello, hello, hello. I am back with another Fun Fold Friday. This is a quick and an easy one, and I wanted to do it because in keeping with it, this week is going to be Cinco de Mayo. I felt that I'm feeling my Latina vibe, okay? So I wanted to do a card with vibrant colors, a birthday card. So guys, let's get to it. I've already got my kit out here. I have an idea what I want to do. I have a piece of paper that I'm going to cut up to make the card base. So let me do a little bit of snippy pippy cutting and I will be right back with measurements and let's get started with this card. Okay, I have cut up my paper. I have two pieces first, which is going to create my card base. I cut the larger piece at 4 1/4 by 8 1/4, and I already pre-scored it at 5 1/2. So this is going to be an A2 card, okay? Your basic A2. The other piece, because this is going to be a double fold card, is 3 by 8, and I've scored it in the middle at 4 inches. So now all I've got to do is fold up my little card. So let's do that very quickly here. And let's grab my bone folder, not quite my bone folder. Oh my God, my Teflon folder. There we go. Which I love using for do this. And then now we're going to fold this one over. And again, we just want to make sure it's straight. So this now is my card base. I'm going to, the back of the card is going to be lined. So I've already cut, I've picked my coordinating paper. I lucked out and found some red in my stash. This is the Tim Holtz Distress, but it matches really, really well. I've cut this to 4 by 5 1/4 because it's going to fit on the inside of my card. So, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that right now using Big Mama. Mama to the rescue. She always saves me and glues things down, put things together for me. And this is not, it doesn't matter. Just as long as you got it. So I don't worry too much about being straight. In fact, most times I'm pretty crooked. Because this is me we're talking about. Okay, don't forget that. Remember, it's the madness. It's all in the madness. But it's on the inside. Who knows? Except for you guys now. You guys start ratting me out, then it's all over, man. Okay, so I've already got this. Now here, I need to now cut my panel, my front panel here, and I'm going to need that at 4 by 2 1/2. So my evil plan is to use this, and I'm going to go this way because it's already 4. So all I got to do is a single cut, because these are pieces that came with the kit. So it's half the reason I chose the kit. Actually, I really, really wanted to use the kit. So, and it just happened to lend itself. Oh, excuse me. I'm going to go this way. Because. Okay, so we're going to cut it at 2 1/2. I'm going to set my trimmer aside for a moment. So now this piece is going to go right here. So I suppose, for lack of a better thing to do, that we should just go ahead and adhere that down. So I'm just going to go ahead and go all the way around. This will stay very, very well. It doesn't have to survive the zombie apocalypse, but what the heck? It's only tape, okay? I can buy more. So now we're just going to go ahead and add that little piece, and I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to re-burnish this on this side. I just want it, so that should now make it lay a little flatter. I'm going to burnish it again. I want this to lay as flat as I can convince it. I don't know that I'm being very convincing, but there you go. I'm going to go one more time. Come on, baby. And after that, okay, I give up. Okay, I give up. Now we have this piece, but we have to do some shenanigans with this piece. Now there's a part of me that really desperately wants to put this down this way because it almost fits perfectly, but because this is going to go right in here, and it's a perfect use of the paper, so I say we're going to go for it. So this piece here, right here, this right flap is 3 3/4 by 2 3/4. Now I believe it's already 3 3/4. Actually, it's 4 because it goes edge to edge. So actually, I think it's 2 3/4. But let's take a look. It worked out perfectly. See, it was meant to be. So now all I have to do is take off 1/4 inch. So yeah, let's use this paper. And it saved me a piece of paper. So now we're going to go ahead. This little piece of paper, we'll take the snippet. Come here, snippet. Snippet. Let's get it out of the way. There we go. Is going to go right here. So what are we going to do? Oh no, I don't know. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and take Big Mama and we're going to run tape around this too. Oh goodness gracious. And there's a little smudge there. I wonder when it got smudged. Did I smudge that? It is distinctly possible. Okay. So we're going to take and we're going to go ahead and do it this way. Because I can tell already it's not totally even. And I'm not going to fiddly fart and straighten that out and square it off and all that goody happy hoo-ha. Okay. So now we have this. Now I want to put my presents up here. But I want it to be elevated. So my two options are going to go ahead and use my always, faithful foamy bits, or we can make this fun. And I think I'm leaning towards fun. And we're going to grab one of these guys so that this will boinger. So this is our little wobblers. So I think this is going to be a wobbly card. So we're going to go ahead and peel this tape up on this side first. Why? I don't know, just because I want to. Come here, baby. Okay, and I will take this part up as well. Oh, goodness gracious. The one I knew it was going to be, if I got off with it going one ease, it was going to be good. Come on. There we go. Okay. So now we're just going to take this and we're going to put it in the middle. We're going to, not the middle of me, the middle of the presents. There we go. And now let me take these and put them over here. We're going to take with my lovely, ultra sharp. Oh, goodness gracious. Come on, baby. See, these are the things. This only happens if I would have gotten it on the first try, had I been doing this off camera, just making a card myself. But no, I have people watching. So, of course, it's going to be difficult because it can. It's like say, ha, 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 here, take that, Mad Scrapper. Because, of course, inanimate objects speak to me. Oh, my goodness. See the madness? This is what happens when you're completely mad. Oh my goodness, come here, sticky stuff. Okay, so now we are going to center my presents on this. And it's awful busy, and I like it that way. But look, now we have, this makes me happy. This gives me joy. But now we have, now we can, literally, we can adhere it down. I love this. So here, which way do I want to go? I'm going to stamp. I want to stamp a sentiment right here, or do I use a sticker? It's like 6 in one hand, half dozen in the other, but no. I saw the stamp in here that I really liked. Grab my box real quick. Let me grab, come here. Come here. Whoops. And we snag the cord. So make this. Now, do I want to stamp it here? Because then I leave space. So my choice is stamp it here. I think that's what I'm doing. I'm going to stamp it on the flat. Make this year our very best year. And then here I can leave it so that I can write a sentiment to whoever I'm giving this card to. So, on that note, I can now go ahead. No, wait. Before I do that, let's do the stamping first. Mayra, do things in order. Let me grab my Misty, which is right here. And we're going to go ahead and put our card down. Come here. So we're just going to go, I'm going to put a couple of magnets down there. And that will hold everything in place. We'll put one right here. And let's grab our stamp. And we will do this quickly, but wait. What do I always do? Where is my packing tape? Is it not right here? Hello, packing tape. of course, now that I need it, I'm telling you guys. Oh, it's right here. I lifted the thing the packing tape was on. Oh, no, wait, is it? No, that's not flapped. Okay, but let me see. Is it straight? Okay, let me straighten this out a bit. Just because it'll bother me if it's not all the way even. Are we good now? We are good now. Okay, I'm going to take a little piece of packing tape. My new people may have not seen this, so I want to show you. I take this. This is a trick I learned from Ryan Swift of Glitter Grunge Creations, or Glitter Grudge Greetings. And you just take that, flap it over. So now I have a flap, and I easily keeps this together. So now I'm going to remove this stamp, and we're going to go ahead and center it here, more or less. It doesn't have to be perfect. Perfect is only God. The rest of us are just imperfect, and that's okay. We're perfect, although God doesn't make junk. So let's be serious here. So on that note, we're made in his image. We are perfect too. Alrighty, so I'm just going to rough this up a little bit just with my fingers, and I'm going to grab my StazOn because it's teal. So I want to make this sentiment teal because we've got some teal going on here. So let's go ahead and add my, there we go. I'll put that back on real quick. Ah! Rude. Alrighty, and let's stamp this baby. Ah! There's always a little piece, right? That has to be difficult. Come on, where is Big Daddy? Because Big Daddy, I can press it down a little bit harder. There we go. Sometimes you just need that little bit, and I think I just need, I'm going to hit it one more time. So we're going to ink it up one more time. If I can get the darn thing off. So it's the T and the R. I got to make sure. Okay. Put that back on. Stamp. Oh yeah, much better, except for that R. That R is just, what is it? Because there's ink there. So let's see. There we go. The ink was there. It just didn't want to cooperate. Or it's part of my mistake because remember it's broken. I already have the replacement. I have the Stamparatus. I don't know why I haven't. Because I didn't want to start using it until I did a video to show you guys about it. Okay. All right, so anyway, we've got that. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to set that aside, and I'll come back later with my stamp cleaner, and I'll get that stamp cleaned up. So now we have this with our sentiments stamped in. I'll move my magnets out of the way here. And now we're going to take this piece, and I'm just going to go ahead, and I'm still going to use tape because I want to. I don't feel like using glue. So I'm just going to go around. Glue is our cheaper option and eminently doable, but since I buy this by the bulk, my tape for my big mama here, it's like, I'm okay. So now we're going to center this on our back panel. There's a little piece there came out, so righty. I think it looks pretty good. I think I've got it. And we'll press it down. And if I don't, the lovely thing is, since I've used tape, I can just, I can pull it back up. But I love that. Isn't that cute? And now we have this and we have that. And guys, believe it or not, we are like one and done. There is our fun fold card. I told you this was a quickie. This was going to be easy peasy Japanesey. Although maybe I shouldn't say that. I'm not sure if that's politically correct anymore. Okay, so I said it. Don't hurt me. But there we go, guys. There is your fun fold, a quickie. I wanted to do a fast one. So there we go. So it could be fast Fun Fold Friday. I don't know. Hopefully you like this. I mean, this is just something new. It's cute. It's not your basic everyday card. And that's what we want to do. That's what the point of the Fun Folds is, to do something a little different. but really, really easy. So hopefully you like this. If you did, go ahead, guys, give me a thumbs up. Drop me a note. If you want to see more of my ongoing madness, because who knows what I'll come up with next, then subscribe and ring that bell and wait in anticipation. Meanwhile, I'm going to let you go. So go out there, craft, make something beautiful, make something better than I can, okay? I have high expectations from you, okay? And meanwhile, I'm going to go and craft to the next thing. So we're going to go, let's do our thing, but don't ever forget, oh my God, I can't even talk right now. Don't forget, we're all a little mad here. So come on, craft the madness with me, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye! Well, it should come as no surprise to anyone here that I'm a Dingledorf. So this card is a birthday card. We have presents. We have make this your best year ever. But nowhere does it say happy birthday. Duh. So I was right in wanting to use the stickers. I'm just not thinking because I'm tired and I've been at it all day. So now my question is, do I use the blue one or the orange one? I'm going to go for the orange one. So we're going to put that lovely happy birthday sticker right here on this side. So we'll center it on the panel. There we go. And I'm still going to have this space to say what I want. But there we go. Now it says, happy birthday. Make this your best year ever. And I am now done, guys. Now I'm letting you go. Go out there. Why are you guys still hanging out here? Go make a card or something. All right. I'm going to see you guys later. Bye.